Hey, hey everybody, how have you been? It's James Duke Ballard, your TV host, style expert, and national spokesperson, coming to you on this beautiful Friday, and I hope you are feeling good. What's been up? Alright, so I'm here today to just let you guys know that dreams you have, the dreams you have, I'll say it again, the dreams you have can come true. You just need to work at it, and I promise you, when you work at things more, the things will happen. All right? So that just comes from being able to sit in my truth and say, working extremely hard has started to pay off now, and I'll be able to share some really cool things with you guys. But at first, I want to say thank you for the support and also give you a few tips to look super sleek this summer, and hopefully the weather will show real soon, right? But in the meantime, get yourself together, and this is how you do it. We're going to do male grooming. A quick male grooming tip I got to give you guys is to use anything you have in your kitchen, especially for your skin. Meaning, if you don't know what to get out there, a basic cleanser, a basic moisturizer is key. But let's just say right now you don't have that. Good old-fashioned olive oil. Here we go. Olive oil will get your skin, here's the front. This is the olive oil that I cook with, but it's also the olive oil that I use once a week on my face to give my face that nice glow. And you leave it on your face for 5 minutes, rinse it off, and you will have really fresh skin. So for you guys out there that don't know what to use, try it. And I promise you, you will see the results in less than a day, okay? But you also want to get a cleanser. So going to the Walgreens or Target, there is a Clear and Care. I think also Aveeno. Those two are tested by dermatologists, and they actually are recommended. And I've used both, and they do work. And they're all really affordable. So try those two products for just starting your skin regime. But olive oil will kick your face into with that kind of like Brazilian glow. You know, you see a lot of Brazilians and Colombians have really great skin. They use olive oil all the time, okay? Now here's something for you ladies and also guys. You want to tighten up a little bit? It sounds crazy, but if you drink coffee, put it on your stomach. Okay, hear me out. Caffeine is in coffee. Caffeine speeds up your metabolism, but it also tightens the skin. So if you want to tighten up certain parts of your body before you hit the beach or hit a pool, check out your cabinets at home. Coffee, grab it, put it in your hand, rub it together. I usually would use maybe half a cup of water in a cup, put 2 teaspoons of coffee, swirl it around, okay? And then what you want to do is let it sit for a minute, and then that's what you use to put on your stomach, put in your arm, put wherever you feel needs to be tightened up a little bit. And that is actually what is in a lot of products these days, caffeine. So straight from your kitchen cabinet, you have olive oil, you have coffee. Those are 2 things that I know for a fact will jumpstart your appearance. Okay, so give it a shot. The coffee itself is something that I kind of found out about a year ago, and I've been doing it just to see if it works. And the thing about the coffee is that you don't think about it because you drink it. But I promise you, put it on certain parts of your neck, wherever you want to have a little tightness and the firmness, you know, save that $20 and put it toward maybe a nice dinner, okay? So those are my male grooming and just tightening up tips. All right, so I hope you guys use it and let me know. You can go to my website at jamesduke.com. I'll be happy to hear from you. And other than that, just keep working hard. And remember, nothing is impossible, especially if you see it for yourself. If you see it, you believe it, it's already done. All right, man, thank you so much for your time. And this is James Duke Ballard signing out, but I'll see you very soon. And thank you again. Peace out.